She's after strawberry.
Yeah, I do. It's sad. Excuse me.
After strawberry. Okay, so that was the share. It's going to go in a minute. It's going to go in for it. Went in for the kill. Let me have a bit of that strawberry. He's having none of it. He's going, no, you're not having it. No.
Please. Mommy.
Look, this I'll have that. You.
Please. I don't eat the cake.
I ordered. Oh, shit.
No.
Yeah, actually,
Ya, water kan belum. Hari hari timbu.
Come on, Callum.